Together, growing in faith, changing communities. Today, I would love us to reflect and to pray on the word of God. Ngifisa ukuba sifunde izwi likaNkulunkulu, John chapter 14, sizoqala from verse 27. It is a famous chapter. Abantu abaningi bayawazi John 14, and I would only like us to focus from verse 7. John chapter 14, that's the word of God. Engifisa ukuba sifunde ngalo. The opening lines of that chapter, by the way, is very interesting. Inhliziyo zenu mayingakhathazeki. Let your hearts not be troubled. That's the most beautiful line that the Lord can say to us. If you go to John chapter 14 verse 1, but I want us to focus from verse 17, but just for fun's sake, for interest's sake, as a reminder, as the background, as the theoretical framework that introduces this prayer, let your hearts not be afraid. In everything that you go through, let that be your framework of mind. Let that be the place where you find reason. Let that be the thing that guides you. Let your hearts not be afraid. Ningavumi inhliziyo zenu ikhathazeke. And maybe ngifuna ukusho lokho ekseni as we begin this new day, ukuthi whatever lies ahead, let your heart not be afraid. Whatever olale phezu kwakho kukuhlukumeza ucabanga, let your heart not be afraid. Whatever osukuzwile, let your heart not be afraid. Whatever okukuthusayo, let your heart not be afraid. Ungavumi inhliziyo yakho ikhathazeke. Ungavumi futhi ukuthi inhliziyo yakho ibalise. Kwesinye isikhathi siyathuka, kwesinye isikhathi siyesaba, kwesinye isikhathi siyangabaza, and kwesinye isikhathi siyabuza ukuthi ngazi uNkulunkulu uzongisiza yini. And kwesinye isikhathi ithandwa zami, izinto don't plan out or play out as we've planned them. Don't become what we have wanted them to be. And so I just want you to remember, let not your hearts be troubled. Inhliziyo zenu mayingakhathazeki. And I would like us to reflect on this word, John chapter 24 verse 27. And as we invite people to be with us, especially those they need to hear this word, those who are frustrated, those who are scared, those who are questioning, and those who are probably at the crossroads of their lives. Ukuthi, what do I do? How do I move forward? And some people are asking, what's the word for today? What the Lord is saying to me. Abanye abantu are like asking themselves, okay, I do not know ukuthi kwenzakalani. And maybe the opening word is, let your heart not be afraid. And imagine if you lived with that, or if you every time you went through something and you had someone who just said to you, but so and so, let your heart not be afraid. And you say to this person, but I do not know how to move forward. Uthi, but uNkulunkulu ezwini lakhe usekhulumile nje, uthi inhliziyo yakho mayingakhathazeki. And so often we hear this word, and how many of us still reflect on it? How many of us still believe it? How many of us take it personal? How many of us take it as a personal note that comes straight directly from God to you right now, today? Let your heart not be afraid. Inhliziyo yakho mayingakhathazeki. Now let's go to verse 27. Verse 27 is something absolutely beautiful for me that I also like, but I don't want you to forget the framework of verse 27. It is John 14 verse 1. Let your heart not be troubled. Let your heart not be afraid. Now in verse 27, it says, peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. Peace I live with you, my peace I give you. Not as the world gives do I give to you. Let your hearts not be troubled, neither let them be afraid. There is so much in that verse, and we can break it into 4 segments. There is so much in that verse. Segment number 1 for me that sits with me so well in my heart. Peace I live with you. Peace I live with you. This is something absolutely beautiful. Ukuthula ngikushiya kinina. Yabona uJesu, it's like he says, I'm going away, but I just want to give you my peace. Kuzo zonke izinto ebengingakunikeza zona namhlanje ekseni, ngifuna wamkela ukuthula. Ukuthula kwami, the peace that brings serenity, the peace that brings calmness, the peace that brings assurance, the peace that assures you of my presence. Ukuthula makube kuwena. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi thandwa zami khona umkhuleko othi Nkosi, silence the noise in my heart. Silence the noise in my head. Thulisa umsindo osenhlizweni yami. Kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi inhliziyo iyayaluza. Khona lo mhlabelile nguthandayo uthi inxaniwe inhliziyo yami inxanela uThixo. Ewe wena, it's so beautiful, it's so powerful. Inxaniwe inhliziyo yami inxanela uThixo. My heart longs for God. My heart pains for God. My heart look forward to be filled with God. And so isipho uNkulunkulu asipha sona namhlanje ekseni, however peace looks like for you, for your situation right now, for your family, for your work, for your environment, for your community, for whoever. Uthi uNkulunkulu, peace I give you. Yabona khona ukuthula kwesinye isikhathi la uNkulunkulu ezokususa khona umzimeni. Khona ukuthula kwesinye isikhathi la uNkulunkulu ezokusula inyembezi. Khona ukuthula la uNkulunkulu ezokutakula osizini. Khona ukuthula la uNkulunkulu ethi yabona ke manje sesiyaphuma la, sesiyahamba, because ngifuna ukukunika ukuthula. And whatever you are going through, however you need this peace, that is my prayer for you. That is my prayer for us. Nkosi siphe ukuthula. Khona ama moments in our lives when things are not going as we want them, when things are just turning upside down. La sibuka khona engathi abantu abasifuni, izwe liyasenyanya, izinto ayihlangani. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ubuyele uNkulunkulu. Uthi ngicela ukukhuleka kuNkulunkulu kaJohn chapter 14 verse 7, wena Nkosi uthe ukuthula unginikeza kona. Nkosi uthe ukuthula uzongipha kona. And so namhlanje ngikhulekela ukuthula emphefumulweni wami. Kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi inhliziyo ibhlungu. Uthola ukuthi akulaleki, uthola ukuthi you cannot believe ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani. Uthola ukuthi sewuzame yonke into and your heart is sore. And you say, Lord, give me your peace. Wesithando sami, have you ever reached a stage la ucela khona uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi ngicela ukulala? Uthola ukuthi you can't fall asleep. Everybody else is sleeping, and when you can't, uzuyikhulekele uthi Nkosi sengikhathele, sengicela ukulala. Have you ever reached that stage la uthola khona ukuthi ubusuku nemini, every moment you're in tears, uyakhala, not because you are funa ukukhala, but inyembezi seziyazehlela? If you ever reach a stage in your life where you look at every other thing and you say, angisafuni ukuba la, angisayifuni lento, and you realize ukuthi ngikhathele, I'm exhausted. Have you ever been in a state where you are numb? I feel nothing. I'm so numb about the situation. I'm so numb about every other thing. I'm so numb. Angisazi ukuthi ngifileni. If you ever felt a stage where you are indifferent, you are just indifferent. People are asking you, how do you feel? People are asking you, what do you do? Or what people are asking you, how, and you say, I'm indifferent. Whatever. As I told you, enzani noma yini enfuna ukuyenza. Athi mtaka mathi sengikhathele. Athi sithandwa sami athi sengikhathele. Athi noma yini enfuna ukuyenza kulungile. Have you ever reached a stage where you say, whatever you want goes with me now? Athi I'm tired of fighting. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu, the first word he teaches us in John chapter 14, verse 27, he says, peace I leave you. Peace I give you. And there's something so beautiful. Peace I live with you. Atuthula ngikushiya kunina. And the second segment for you, iti, my peace I give you. That's something absolutely powerful. It is not just the peace in itself, but it is my peace. My peace that knows the pain of the cross. My peace that has walked with you. My peace that has opened the eyes of the blind. My peace that waited on Bartimaeus. My peace that healed a woman who'd been hemorrhaging for 12 years. My peace that saw the death of Joseph. My peace that knows the pain of Mary having lost a husband. My peace that knows the pain of Martha and Mary after the death of Lazarus. That peace I give you. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi azathi omunye umuntu ukhuluma ngento ongayazi. Athi uJesu, I know what I'm talking about. Athi obhala kahle encwadini yamaHebheru athi he was like us in all things. In everything he was like us. Athi obhala kahle encwadini kaIsaiah athi wayingasabonakali nokubonakala ngenxa yezono zethu. Uthi namhlanje uNkulunkulu uthi ngicela ukukunikeza ukuthula kwami. Uyabona khona isigaba la othi hayi Nkosi mina I'm exhausted. Khona isigaba la othi hayi mina Nkosi I'm done. Khona isigaba la othi hayi mina Nkosi I've run out. Athi uNkulunkulu kulungile sibanibani. You are exhausted. Kulungile sibanibani. You've run out. And now sengicela ukunika kwami ukuthula. This is powerful. This is powerful. Athi sengizokunikeza okwami ngoba okwakho sekuphelile. Athi khuleka, athi ride on my peace. Athi climb on my peace. Athi stay with my peace. Athi ngizokunikeza okwami ukuthula. Ukuthula okwazi inyembezi. Ukuthula okwazi inhlamba. Besimswele uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi ngicela ungifundise ukuthula. Nkosi bengicela unginikeze ukuthula okuwena okwaziyo ukuba kuqonda ukuthina empilweni zethu. Yabona ithandwa zami, siyamcela uNkulunkulu, siyamswela ukuthi asiphe ukuthula noma sebesithuka ngeinhlamba. Asiphe ukuthula noma sebesikopolota amehlo. Asiphe ukuthula noma sebekuthuka kuma social statuses. Umcela uNkulunkulu akuphe ukuthula noma umndeni wakho usukuhleba. Umcela uNkulunkulu akunikeze ukuthula noma abantu bakho sebekuhlinela when they gang up against you bengasafuni ukuhlala nawe, kodwa umcela uNkulunkulu thi Nkosi ngicela ungiphe ukuthula. Hey sendo sami umcela uNkulunkulu even when emsebenzini befuna ukuxosha. Even when they gang up against you and fabricate information and evidence so that they get you out, thana Nkosi ngicela ungiphe ukuthula kwakho. Ngoba mina ngiyehluleka. Ngoba mina angazi ngizokwenza njani. Nkosi ngicela ukuthula. And that's something that we all need. Lord, give me your peace. Nkosi, akukho okuningi esikufunayo, akukho okuningi engikukhulekelayo, only your peace. Now there is also a third segment here for me. He says, not as the world gives do I give to you. Not as the world. Thandwa zami, baningi abantu abazofuna ukukunikeza ukuthula. Baningi abantu who will want to offer solutions. Baningi abantu who will want to say they can do better than God. Kodwa uthi uJesu namhlanje ngizokunikeza ukuthula izwe elingasoze lakunikeza kona. Ngizokunikeza ukuthula that izwe cannot withstand. Ngizokunikeza ukuthula that izwe cannot buy it out from you. There is nothing as powerful as that. Ukuthi Nkosi, you can be my source of peace. You can be the pillar of my peace. You can be everything that I've ever needed and ever wanted. And kwesinye isikhathi thandwa zami, we need that. Siyamdinga uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi iba ukuthula enhlizweni yami. Nkosi iba ukuthula emphefumulweni wami. Kodwa futhi I think it is important ukumcela uNkulunkulu ukuthi Moya Ongcwele, give me an insight. Uthi uMaphostoli Paul, we need discernment of spirits. Siyadinga ukuhlolisisa imimoya. Kukhona izinto ezifika as if zizosinikeza ukuthula. Khona izinto ezifika as if they are for our own good. Siyamdinga uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi, whatever abanginunusela ngayo, if it's not of you, ngiyayibonga. Whatever abanginunusela ngayo, if it's not for my well-being, ngiyayibonga. Whatever solutions abawalethayo, if ezongisusa kuwena, ngiyawabonga. Siyayidinga leyo insight. Siyayidinga leyo gift from uMoya Ongcwele. Sithi moya wokuhlakanipha, moya weqiniso, moya wokuqonda konke, moya owazi konke. Nangu sibani banefika and engqondweni yami ngimbona eletha lokuthula, eletha lenjabulo, eletha lento engiyibona iyinhle kumina. Kodwa uma ngelinye ilanga lento izongisusa ebusweni bakho, Nkosi ungavumi ngami. Uma ngelinye ilanga lento iyongithukanisa nezulu, Nkosi ungavumi nami. Uma lenjabulo yamanje ngelinye ilanga iyongitshontshela konke ongiphe kona, nqaba nami Nkosi. Athi ocula kahle, athi lenjabulo esinayo, athi ifunyanwa ngokuza kuJesu. Athi yelizwe yedlula, athi yomhlabi yedlula, athi kodwe kaNkulunkulu imile. Uthi ngizonikeza what the world cannot give you. Now I love this. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid. It's like uNkulunkulu says to us, I've got you. I've got this. Let your hearts not be troubled. It's like bekufanele ngithi namhlanje mphefumulo wami ungesabi. Mphefumulo wami ungathuki. Mphefumulo wami ungadikibali. Yo, my God, I like that. phefumulo wami ungesabi, phefumulo wami ungadikibali, phefumulo wami ungathuki. Write that down for you. Let that be your word. Phefumulo wami ungesabi, phefumulo wami ungathuki, phefumulo wami ungadikibali, phefumulo wami ungesabi, phefumulo wami ungathuki, phefumulo wami ungadikibali. I love those 3 words, and I wish you can write that down for yourself for today. Phefumulo wami ungesabi, phefumulo wami ungadikibali, phefumulo wami ungathuki. Let my heart not be afraid. Do not be afraid. Let not your heart be afraid. Let not your heart be afraid. Phefumulo wami ungesabi, phefumulo wami ungathuki, phefumulo wami ungadikibali. Hey, thandwa zami, it doesn't matter what you go through. Let your heart be at peace. There's nothing else we can ever ask for. Let your heart be at peace. Phefumulo wami ungesabi, phefumulo wami ungathuki, phefumulo wami ungadikibali. In everything that you go through, in everything that you are facing, uNkulunkulu has a bigger plan. uNkulunkulu has something more for you than you'll ever notice. uNkulunkulu has something more for you than you and I can ever think of. Let your heart not be afraid. Do not be afraid and don't give up. Let your heart keep pumping. Let your heart keep pushing. Let your heart keep believing. Let your heart realize this is not the end. Phefumulo wami ungathuki, phefumulo wami ungadikibali, phefumulo wami ungesabi. Athi because ukuthula engikunikeza kona, athi izwe alisoze lakunikeza. And there comes a stage in our lives when we realize ukuthi impendulo engiyidingayo for inkinga yami uNkulunkulu yedwa uzonginikeza yona. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi kunabantu esibazondayo, kwesinye isikhathi kunabantu esingasakhulumisani nabo, kwesinye isikhathi kunabantu esingasabhekani nabo, and siyakhohlwa ukuthi we expect from them what they cannot give us. Abakwazi ukusenzela lento esifunayo, abakwazi ukusinikeza le njabulo esifunayo, abakwazi ukususa lobu buhlungu esibufunayo. No matter how much we try and say we want them to understand, some of them are incapable of doing it. And so kungani sizonde. uNkulunkulu befuna usinikeza inkonzo emnandi namhlanje, inkonzo yokusiphilisa, inkonzo yokuselapha, inkonzo yokusitshela ukuthi this too shall pass. Yabona ithandwa zami, ngifuna ukuthi kuwena namhlanje ekseni, whatever it is, yabona emathu uNkulunkulu bheka sengiyibonile inyembezi zakho. I've seen your tears. I've seen you cry day in and day out. Athi bheka ngikuzwile ukukhala kwakho. I've heard your cries. Athi I know the sound of your voice when you cry. I know that look in your face. I know the sigh of your spirit. Ethandwa zami, uNkulunkulu akajabuli ngosizi lomuntu. uNkulunkulu akajabuli ngokuxakeka kwami nokuxakeka kwakho. uNkulunkulu akafuni ngawe. Yes, angifuni ukusho ukuthi maybe it's taking a bit longer than anticipated. Maybe it's taking longer than you had wanted. Maybe it's taking a bit longer than what everybody else had told us. Maybe it's longer than laba abanye abantu abanye kusheshile ukubalungela, and you keep asking yourself, but Nkosi, I thought, but now why? Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena ukwenza kaNkulunkulu kuhlukile kunokwenza kwabantu. And ngifuna ukuthi kuwena, yes, kwesinye isikhathi you have a right to be upset. Kwesinye isikhathi you have a right to feel the pain. Kwesinye isikhathi you have a right to question God ukuthi but Nkosi kwenze njani? Kodwa ngifuna ukusho kuwena ukuthi phefumulo wami ungesabi, phefumulo wami ungathuki, phefumulo wami ungadikibali. Sometimes the end is so close. The prize is so close. The victory I can smell. Asimethembe uNkulunkulu. Sikuthina namhlanje ngizokunikeza izwe elingeke likunike kona. Athi ubhala kahle encwadini yakhe, athi when the time is right, I, the Lord your God, will make it happen. When the time is right, I, the Lord your God, will make this a reality. Bengifisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu ahambe nathi. Bengifisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu asenzele. Bengifisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu angakushiya endleleni. Kukona konke okwenzakalayo empilweni yakho. Bengifisa ngathi uNkulunkulu angahlezi ewudondolo lakho. In every pain you are going through, in every confusion you are experiencing, bengifisa kodwa uNkulunkulu angakuyeki. Bengifisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu angagive up kuwena. Bengifisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu akhombise umndeni wakho ngawe ukuthi yena uNkulunkulu weqiniso. I so pray and I wish ukuthi uNkulunkulu can show it to your friends, can prove it to your friends that he is still a reliable God. Ukuthi angimboni omunye ebesingaya kuyena. Angimboni omunye obenamandla okulungisa lesimo. Yes, abantu ngenzeka ukuthi sebekise kubantu abaningi. Abantu ngenzeka sebekunika ama-advice amaningi. Abantu ngenzeka sebekunikeza ama-deadlines. Abantu ngenzeka kuba sebekhulume benza konke. Kodwa bengifuna ukuthi kuwena sithandwa sami, bengakamboni mina omunye okwazi ukwenza izinto. Bengakamboni mina omunye okwazi ukuvusa abafileyo. Bengakamboni mina omunye okwazi ukuguqula impilo yomuntu. Bengakamboni omunye odlula uNkulunkulu. Namhlanje ekseni ngifuna ukubiza ukuphila empilweni yakho. Namhlanje ekseni ngifuna ukubiza ukuphila over your life. Namhlanje ekseni, with whatever you are struggling with whatever has caused you so much pain, with whatever has made you cry all alone, with whatever has made you question God, bengifuna ukusho kuwena ukuthi ungalahli ithemba. Take this word to heart. Phefumulo wami ungesabi. Phefumulo wami ungathuki. Phefumulo wami ungadikibali. Take that word to heart. Ngiyacela, I beg you. Phefumulo wami ungesabi. Phefumulo wami ungathuki. Phefumulo wami ungadikibali. Ngifuna ukusho kuwena nakumina, let's speak things into the universe, because the universe belongs to God. Let's speak life into our situation. Ukuthi Nkosi angimboni omunye. Ukuba ubekhona omunye mhlambe bengizoya kuyena. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi imphefumulo wami ungesabi. Phefumulo wami ungathuki. Phefumulo wami ungadikibali. Be at peace, my soul. Be at peace. And sometimes I need that. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid. And don't give up. Don't give up. And we need to ask ourselves to remain aligned into God. To remain aligned into whatever He has created and placed in the universe for us. Whatever is meant to be yours, kuzofika. Whether kufike ekuseni noma emini noma ntambama noma seliyoshona ilanga, but kuzofika. And ngiyafisa ukuthi simcele uNkulunkulu. Ngiyafisa ukuthi simncenge uNkulunkulu. Ngiyafisa kodwa nathi ukuthi singasuki kuyena. Ungathi sewukhuleke kangaka, ungathi sewuhamba ibanga elingaka, maqedane bese uya give up. Maqedane and you walk away. Maqedane bese uthi hayi mina sengikhathele. No. Whatever is meant to be yours, it will locate you. Whatever is meant to be yours, it will find your family. Whatever is meant to be yours, uNkulunkulu will deliver it into your doorsteps. phefumulo wami ungesabi, phefumulo wami ungethuki, phefumulo wami ungadikibali. Kwesinye isikhathi it's too much to bear. Kwesinye isikhathi we want to walk away. Kwesinye isikhathi we just want to forget. Mphefumulo wami ungesabi, phefumulo wami ungathuki, phefumulo wami ungadikibali. Sho njalo namhlanje uNkulunkulu ithandwa zami, as we are reflecting on the Gospel of John chapter 14 verse 27. That's the only word we are sitting with today. It's John 14 verse 27. Those four great elements. Peace I leave you, my peace I give you. Not as the world gives, and let not your hearts be afraid. Let not your spirit be disturbed. Let not your spirit lose heart. In everything, do not lose heart. Stay the course. Stay the course. The end is near. Stay the course. The victory is within reach. Stay the course. God is at hand. Stay the course. Nkulunkulu Somandla benanti, Nkulunkulu Somandla sinikeze ukuthula kwakhe, Nkulunkulu Somandla sivikele kona konke, Nkulunkulu Somandla akwe asenzele thina esihlulekayo ukuzenzela kona, Nkulunkulu Somandla sivezele konke ngegama likaYise neNdodana noMoya ogcibileyo. Amen.